Hi, my name's Jessica Davis and I'm with the Indiana State Dietetics Department, and I'm here today to make frittatas for the Dairy Association. Today we have all of our ingredients here. You're going to need eggs, whole milk, asparagus, squash, Roman potatoes, feta cheese and mozzarella, salt, pepper, and thyme as well. We're going to talk about the nutritional aspects of the items that we have today. We have asparagus, which it has a good amount of fiber, folate, vitamin A, C, and K. We have whole milk and mozzarella, which have good amounts of vitamin D and calcium. So they're good choices to have in any meal to get your calcium you need for the day. We also have feta cheese, which is also good in calcium and is also good for people that are lactose intolerant, just to get their calcium they need for the day. And we have a good amount of veggies because we also have the squash and the tomatoes. All right, so we have our items and now we're gonna mix them. So first up, we have our 8 eggs. Then we have our half cup of whole milk. We have a half a teaspoon of black pepper and a whole teaspoon of salt. Just be careful when you do this in case you spill it in. A whole teaspoon of sage. So I'm gonna do a little bit less. There we go. So we're gonna mix this up real fast. At this point, you can add feta and just lightly mix it in there. You don't wanna smash it, but just enough. At this point, it's gonna be kind of an odd color, but trust us, it's gonna be good. All right, so now we have our vegetables set up. We have asparagus, which is a prebiotic. We also have zucchini, my favorite. All right, so now we're ready to saute our vegetables. We have the squash and the zucchini in here. We're gonna add these, so just be careful when you put them in there. Just like that. And this will take about 4 to 5 minutes, and then we'll add the tomatoes, because if you add the tomatoes in before this, it's going to turn all mushy, and that's not going to be a good frittata whatsoever. Now we're going to add the tomato. Spread it around. All right, since our vegetables are done now, we're going to spread them in a lightly through the bottom, just so there's pieces everywhere. And you gotta do this very slowly and gently. There you go. Be sure to cover it all. Kind of pat it around. And now we're gonna bake this for about 15 minutes. And then right as it's done, we're gonna add mozzarella cheese to the top of it and broil it so it has a beautiful, beautiful top layer to it. And this is the one that we made beforehand. Looking beautiful. Look at that cheese on top, gorgeous.
There we go. It's looking like a model.
Yes.
Great job, Jessica.
Thank you.